Hello guys, today in this video I'll show you how to repair a Pegatron Corporation battery that it's locked and don't work anymore. First, we need to do a connector so we can plug it to the NLBA. So let's start and build a connector for this battery. What method I'm gonna use? It's gonna be I'm gonna connect the connector to the battery connector. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take, you see that I have three red wires. I'm gonna take the first three wires and put them together like this, and then connect it to the green connector to the V. It's right here on the left side. So we're gonna insert them right here, and we're gonna screw with a screwdriver like this, very tight. Nice. Now I'm gonna take the three black wires from here and connect them together and connect them to the ground pin of this connector, of green connector. Now I don't know what is the data in clock pin, so I'm gonna use a method that requires a digital multimeter. No, don't connect it. Take the digital multimeter and put it on the diode mode. Red needs to be on the ground, and we're gonna check with the black probe on all the wires. 04, 04, 900. I think this the wires with 04 and 04, it needs to be data in clock. Now what I'm gonna do, it's connect it to the NLBA, then go to the software that is right here, and press start reading and power on button. Then I have these two wires, just connect them one by one, not like this, I think like this, and we see that we find the pinout. Now let's screw the wires into the green connector. All done now. Let's see what does we have. We have a BQ30z55 from Texas Instruments. We see that we have some overcharged cells. So what we need to do is open up the battery pack and recharge the cells. Let's do that now. Disconnect the battery, disconnect the connector, and we're gonna use a sharp knife to get to the PCB. It's not very complicated. I think I've managed to get to the PCB. This is the chip. Now let's pre-charge the cells using power supply until the cells get to like 3.5 watts. It's a little bit hard to charge them, but I will do my best. Let's measure the cell voltages now. Oh. 2.7, 2.5, 2.6. I'm gonna charge them in series. This is minus and this is plus. I think. Let's set the power supply to 8 volts and 0.2 amperes. And now let's connect the probes. And now we're gonna increase the voltage until it gets to like 3.5 on the cell or something like that. We see that we have 9 volts on the back, so it has like 3 volts on each cell. So we're gonna increase the current and at one end, and the voltage too. I think that's enough now. Let's check the voltages on the cells to see if we need to balance them. 3.4, 3.4, 3.5. No, the cells are fine, are balanced now. Let's connect the battery to the analyzer and see on software what we have. Let's read the battery. Need to power it on. The cell voltages are good now, but we see that the battery is low. It doesn't have charging current and charging voltage. And the health is very good. Now let's try to reset it to do the battery work again. We see here that the PF status has 1 bit on 1, so I think that's why the battery is locked. Let's unseal the chip. The chip has been unsealed, it's in full access mode. Now let's clear the chip errors. The errors has been cleared, and now we have a good battery. Let's try to charge it. I think it might be the fuse. Let's check the fuse now. Here is the fuse. There's the fuse. I'm gonna open the fuse. Yes, I think the fuse is gone. It's from what I can see, the fuse is gone. Yes, we need to solder it back. So all we need to do is fix the fuse by connecting these two heads with some flux. I think it's okay. I think the fuse is good now. Let's connect it to the NLBA and see if the battery works. Yes, the battery seems to have output current. Let's try to charge it. And the battery charges as well. I think that's a very good sign. Let's try to discharge it. Oh wait, need to check this. And yes, the battery discharges well. Now all we need to do is put the battery back in place. And the battery is ready to do some cycles on a laptop. Yes, that's our video for today. I hope you like it. Like and subscribe, guys. Bye bye.